Hi, Springers, and welcome aboard. Okay, gonna do some races on the Crew 2. First up, let's do some drifting. Yeah, time for some drifting. Oh yeah, look at my car, got my pink helmet on. Here we go, we're drifting now. Here we go.
What a fantastic course we have. Races to compete.
Burning rubber smells like victory to me.
Yeah, this is drifting, brother. Woo! Oh, we see something. Sorry, I'm going all quiet because the drifting is so cool. Oh, we're going. This is sickest. Oh yeah, the night watch covers.
Ding, ding, ding. High score.
That was easy. Oh, that was easy. Oh no, we keep hitting stuff and it takes away our score. Yeah. Woo! You got hit. Oh, okay. This way. Oops.
Fuck,
Yeah.
those RX-7s love it.
Oh, he's on me.
Sorry.
That's alright, do that again. Oh, bugger. Oh, yeah, right on us. Yes. Oh, that was sick. That was the first time we had thought it all then. Go. Woo, right in your smoke trail. That's sweet. That is awesome. Oh, coming under you, coming over here. Oh, look at that, right behind you. Woo!
Yeah. Oh, and he's coming on.
Oh! Just touched. Oh no, too far. No, that's alright.
You're covering the wall.
I was just touching it. Aim at the back flume.
Yeah, you get points if you tap the wall.
Oh, look out. Oh, yes. Oh, you're hitting. I forgot about turbo.
Yeah, no, I was just...
Oh, yeah, look at that one.
Line. Oh, here he goes. Fuck. Has Jay got his copy yet?
I don't know.
Oh, shit, I'm losing it. Hairpin.
Woo! Right on ya. That's bad. No, I'm gonna lose it.
Oh, shit. Fucking Cadillac on the road.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, big ones. Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, touched. Oh, nearly.
Oh, alright. Trying to Fast and Furious me.
I'm on the salt plate.
Oh, you're on the salt plate.
Oh, that's it.
Oh, there you
crash!
are. Jesus.
You go ahead. I'll catch up here. Okay. You're 200 metres, 270 metres ahead. 290. Keep going, man. Keep
Oh,
going.
no, now you're starting to catch
Now
up.
I'm catching.
Fuck me, man. You are flogging it.
Oh, here we go.
Fuck.
Listen, I love that shit. Yeah, I wanted to see how big this plane was next to yours. It's
Oh, hang on.
fucking...
I'll jump on the ground over here.
Where are you? I'll try and land this fucking thing! Whoa!
Shut up, Jasmine.
Oh, stop, stop,
Here
stop!
comes
It won't
Jim.
stop! It won't stop! It won't stop! Ah! On the ground, on the ground. There we go.
He's...
Woo!
Did you hear him?
Oh, that was sick. Where's that plane he was?
Oh shit, I'm... Geez,
There
you
you
only just tap the accelerator and you start flying.
Oh yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa! Ah!
Looks like Dusty Crop off. Hey, I want that fucking thing. What is
I
that?
can't see your plane next to mine. I'll go to the other side. There it is. Your plane's invisible. It's so
Give me a second, I'm
fucking
gonna
big, this thing.
fucking-
It's
Buy
massive.
that plane. That's the real fast one, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the Pilatus.
Speed 685 kilometers. What the fuck?
Yeah, she's pretty good.
Have you ever got it to that speed though?
Yeah, I think so. Ah!
Because he's nearly crashed into me.
'Cause that's what I do. I'm a screamer.
Because he said that's what he does.
Look at my little one. Yeah, you're a big one. A little bar. Yeah. You look like you did a big wheelie up the
What
ramp.
are we got to do here?
Tricks. Tricks. Just tricks, man. You'll see coins, money around. You got to go for all that stuff and do tricks.
It's like a toy box for
Watch.
grown-ups.
Check this shit out. I'm going up here for the
Yeah, I know, I was going to do
backflip.
this before.
Ooh, whoa, double backflip. Yeah! Double backflip.
Where'd you learn to do that?
Woo! Oh, look, there's a ramp. Get in the ramp, man. Woo! Shit, fakies.
Oh, fuck, no, that point is such...
Here. Up the stairs. Oh! Oh!
Oh, I just had the close brake thing, but it just wasn't in a
no.
monster truck.
Spewing. Oh, you did
Damn.
backflips on this top tier, man. The backflips, those little jumps easily. Oh, what have we got here? Gotta get across the track. Oh, what's this? Oh no, one of these up here. Yes, we're going around it. Oh, it's a big jump at the end of it. Woohoo! That was sick. I just friend highlight beaten. Set on you for a ground jump in this area. Woo, fakey! Back flip for fakey.
Oh, missed the jump.
Yeah. Forward flip. Ready? Yeah, it worked!
That's it. Oh, you nearly
That's
cleared
it?
me.
Oh, that was awesome too. I'm gonna try and jump over you. Ah! Goes over him. Went over you.
Get to check your mailbox. There might be some loot in there.
The other side. Yeah! Oh, off him! Did I land on you then?
Yeah.